Today I will be demonstrating how to add a contact into the contact list. This is useful when trying to organize and keep up to date with employees. You would press Contacts, add in your file name to whatever you would want it to be, and then you click Create. I already started my list, but this is a similar page to what would pop up if you started a new contact sheet. You would click New to add a contact, add in all the information you would want. You can also add in company, job title, email, web page, and category, as well as all of these different phone numbers and addresses. You can also add in notes that you may want to have about the person. Once you finish filling all this out, all you would do is click Close, and then your new name would appear, or your new contact would appear on your contact list. You now have your first contact.